If you need to design with color, Adobe has a useful utility called Kuler. Under the Windows menu, choose Extensions, Kuler, and this will bring up the Kuler panel. Kuler is an online website with a lot of interactivity around color. You'll find several palettes that you can use based that other people have designed. If you go ahead and click, you can actually go ahead and view this online at the website. When you get there, you'll find several different themes that can be explored, and you could sort by different categories, including newest and most popular. What's nice about all of these is that they're easy to implement. Let's switch back to Photoshop. You'll see that I have these themes here. If I click the triangle, I can go ahead and save those to my swatches panel, and they become available. There they are at the end. So you can easily reuse those swatches. If you want, you could search by highest rated for all time, or take a look at other categories such as random, just to explore new things, or newest, and take a look at some of the ones that have been added. These are really nice as they open up a whole bunch of ideas based upon other people's creativity. However, Kuler can be helpful on its own. You can click Create, and it allows you to make new color models. You can go ahead and adjust the base color here using the interactive picker, and then take advantage of several different color models. Analogous, for example, will take colors that are similar in saturation from around the wheel, and you could pull those apart further or closer. You can also adjust the saturation manually by dragging up and down. Other color models include the use of monochromatic, which simply stays along the same angle, but adjusts the saturation and lightness to give you other shades, and several other methods based upon common use color theory. This is a great interactive way to play with a color and decide what you like. As you experiment, all of these options can be saved to the swatches panel. You can actually name and save a theme or post it up to Kuler if you've created an account. Accounts are absolutely free, and this is a great way to contribute to the creative community.